Hello, it's Phoebe with your daily dose of banjo once again. Today I am going to play a tune called Georgie. This version is from Matoki Slaughter. That's someone's name, Matoki Slaughter. That's a cool name. But yeah, this is the Matoki Slaughter version of Georgie. I am in C tuning, but I am capoed up to D, I believe. And we'll see if I remember how this tune goes. It's it's been a little while. I learned this one years ago. Let's give it a shot. We're gonna start it better than that. We can do better. There we go. That's Georgie. I'm still getting used to this banjo, so I'm hoping it sounded okay in the mic. I was looking at my little audio monitor thing, and it showed the bar hitting the red. I still don't totally know what that means. But, yeah, hopefully I didn't explode your eardrums there. I'll do a sound check and make sure it's not horrendous. But that is all for now. I will see you guys next time with your next Daily Dose of Banjo. Hope you have a wonderful day. Goodbye.